Baking Basics. Understanding the baking sheet. Hello and welcome, fellow language enthusiasts and budding bakers. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a common kitchen term that often pops up in recipes and cooking shows: the baking sheet. Whether you're a novice English learner or an aspiring chef, understanding these terms is key to following recipes and expanding your culinary vocabulary. So, let's get started. A baking sheet is a flat, rectangular metal pan used in an oven. It's a versatile kitchen tool for baking pastries, cookies, vegetables, and many other food items. Unlike a baking dish or a baking pan, which typically have high sides, a baking sheet has shallow outer edges, making it perfect for items that need to be baked or roasted without the constraint of high sides. Baking sheets come in various materials and sizes. The most common materials you'll find are aluminum and stainless steel. Some baking sheets are coated with a non-stick surface, while others may require parchment paper or a silicone mat to prevent sticking. It's also important to note that the size of your baking sheet should correspond with the size of your oven. Baking sheets are incredibly useful for a wide range of recipes. They're often used to bake cookies, where they're sometimes referred to as cookie sheets. They can also be used for roasting vegetables, toasting nuts, or as a support for baking pizzas. One of the advantages of a baking sheet is the even heat distribution, which is essential for consistent baking. To prolong the life of your baking sheet, it's important to clean it properly after each use. Avoid using metal utensils or scrubbers that can scratch the surface, especially if it's non-stick. Hand washing with mild detergent and a soft sponge is recommended, although some baking sheets are dishwasher safe. There you have it, a simple guide to the humble, yet indispensable baking sheet. Remember, understanding the tools of the trade is just as important as mastering the language when it comes to following English language recipes. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we can't wait to see you shine in both your language learning and baking endeavors. Happy baking and learning!